Let's continue getting some trading ideas to you. And now we have Sameet Chavan as well as Mitesh Panchal joining us on the show. Morning to both of you. Sameet, first up to you. Given the way we are moving at this point of time, Nifty has been pretty much range bound. Which stocks would you like to recommend to our viewers?
Good morning, Kamya. Yes, as you rightly said, Nifty is in a small range wherein 8,050 is the support and 8,250 is the resistance. So individual stocks are doing well. We have two buy recommendations in our list. First buy would be on Titan for a target of 366 and stop loss would be 334. Looking at the weekly chart, it is clearly seen that the recent fall from February highs precisely got arrested around its 50% retracement level of 320, 300. After forming a strong base around 320, 330, the stock is now moving higher. Last week, price structure-wise, it has given a breakout from a channel pattern around 340, 342. The stock has been consolidating in a narrow range since last 5 to 6 trading sessions. But looking at the overall weekly chart structure, we believe that the stock has the potential to move higher. Hence, we have a target of 366. Our second buy call would be on Century Textiles for a target of 582 and stop loss would be around 529. Looking at the weekly chart, it is clearly seen that the stock has formed a strong base around its multiple support zone of 490, 500. Price-wise, today it has given a breakout on the hourly chart from cup and handle pattern around 540, 542 with sizable volumes. Yes, momentum is clearly on the upside. Thus, we expect this movement to extend towards 580, 582 over the next few trading sessions. And our final recommendation would be on M&M. It can be shorted for a target of 1220 and stop loss would be around 1300. If we look at the overall weekly chart structure, the stock is in a sideways trend wherein the broader range is around 1400 to 1100. However, within this broader range, we believe that the stock is in a corrective mode wherein 1280 to 1300 is likely to act as a strong resistance. But since last 7 to 8 trading sessions, the stock has been consolidating. But going forward, we believe that shorting at current level makes it a low-risk short candidate. Thus, with a near-term target of 1220, it can be shorted and stop loss can be kept at 1300.
Okay, there you have it. Those are some picks that Sameet is flagging off. Let's also get in Mitesh Panchal then to run us through his top recommendations. 81.21 on the index. The broader markets is comparatively better off. Is that where you're tilting towards then, Mitesh?
Yes, Avansi, the stock, the market is very choppy. So the only trade in the town is you have to go stock specific. So I identified 3 long stocks. First is Yes Bank. If you look at the chart pattern of a Yes Bank, since last 10 to 12 trading sessions, stock is moving in a narrow trading range between 710 on the downside and 760 on the upside. If you look at the daily chart pattern since last 2 days, stock is moving up with a volume and forming higher top and higher bottom. Hourly chart do indicate the fact that going forward stock will enter into a new trading range. So I am going long in this stock with a stop loss of 710 for a target of 719. Second stock is NMDC. We have witnessed a steep correction in all the base metal pack and NMDC has also witnessed the same thing. Somewhere the level of 100 is acting as a psychological level, and if you look at the pullback rally, the stock has smartly witness a pullback in last 5 to 7 trading sessions. We technically feel that going forward stock will enter into a new trading range, and on the upside stock is now buying at 120. So based on hourly chart momentum, we have gone long in, I have recommended long in this stock with a stop loss of 92 for a target of 120. The last stock is Ashok Leyland. If you look at the chart of Ashok Leyland, every intraday dip since last 72 hours has been used as a buying opportunity, and every time when the stock is tried to.
Okay, so those are some recommendations coming in from Mitesh Panchal, and like he was flagging off, he is clearly placing a buy call on Ashok Leyland with a target price of 105 and a stop loss of 90. Away from equities, let's shift focus to commodities. Then Manisha Gupta, commodities editor, now joins in for a quick check on that space. Hi Manisha, tell us what's happening.